Welcome back to the Maverick Cocktails, and today I have a very interesting one turned up just for you. Guess what it is? A while back, I was in discussion with some parents. We were having basically a very informal workshop altogether, and most of them had this one major complaint that their children were spending too much time on screen time. Well, who bought them their phones? But that's a different story. Now, here's the thing. Every generation survives within an ecosystem which is different from the previous. I've gone through it, my parents have gone through it, my grandparents have gone through it, and looking down, even my children are going through it. Now here's the truth. Every ecosystem has been radically different from the other. During our time, when my parents just refused to accept the way I was, we talked about a generation gap. The fact is that each generation survived in their ecosystem. If you try and change the way the person is supposed to react in his ecosystem, that person will not be able to survive that system. If your children are spending too much on screen time, let them. That's an ecosystem that you may not be able to understand. But if they start doing things that you are doing in your ecosystem, they'll become an absolute failure in their own ecosystem. Think about it. Give it a thought. There is nothing in this world that you can ever control. But if you liberate, the control will happen automatically. Believe me. In liberation itself is control. When they liberate, when they are liberated into their ecosystem, they'll be able to very easily control the nuances of their ecosystem. This is Anand, nair, signing off for now, and I'm going to see you soon, very soon, with another Maverick Cocktail.